Hello YouTube, this is Vaughn 2480. I'm here with I guess a hair tutorial. I'm getting ready to flat iron my hair, so I decided just to turn on the camera so you all can have a flat iron, a update on how I flat iron my hair. Because the last time I think I flat ironed my hair was like 3 years ago on YouTube, and my hair was much longer, and I will link that video above. And I also want to let y'all see, since I blow dried my hair today, how my hair is looking, like what I was telling you about the breakage in the front. Like, my hair has always been short, like I've said before, in the front compared to the back, but this is how it's looking. But I want to show you, like, when I move the part over this way, you can see how short those pieces are. And then right here, you can see how short that hair is right there. Because I tried to show y'all in my other video when I was doing my pony, but I didn't think I did a good job. But it is very short compared to 3 years ago. I don't know what changed. I know I was taking biotin. I'm not anymore. I decided to try to use collagen, but I haven't been using it like I should, and it's in the powder form, and sometimes I forget to take it. So I think I'm gonna start back using I'm gonna try using the collagen again and see what's going on. I don't know if iron affects your hair as well, because I am iron deficient, so that could be affecting it as well. I know it affects your nails, because at one time my nails were brittle, so that was because my iron was low. So if you're having that problem with short brittle nails, your iron may be extremely low. But that's just a side note. Didn't come to talk about nails or anything, but yeah, with women, we just need to keep up with our health and allow the doctor to do tests to see what's going on with you sometimes, because that can affect your hair as well as your diet. But anyway, so compared to 3 years ago, when I looked at my video, my hair is much shorter, and it may get shorter when I get a trim, don't know, depending on how bad it is with the breakage. I call myself trying to trim my hair, but I probably didn't do a good job. But let me tell you what shampoo I used this week. I used the Mazzani Thermal Smooth. Since I'm going to be flat ironing my hair, I decided to use a different shampoo, something that could straighten my hair a little better. Don't know if that's really true or not, but this is what I'm using. Mazzani Thermal Smooth, the shampoo, and I'm also using that conditioner. I already shampooed my hair with that, and then I deep conditioned my hair with this Silk Elements Strengthened Silk Cholesterol with coconut oil and silk. And I'm just going to be using the Nano Pro Titanium Baby Breath Pro Flat Iron. You could turn it off this way, and it goes up to 450. It starts off at 340. I don't know if y'all could see it. At 340, and then it goes on up. And then for my edges or the short hairs, I'm going to use the Nano Titanium by Baby Bliss Pro, the mini flat iron as well. If you have any short hairs, or if you have short hair, this is great for you. And after I shampooed my hair, and conditioned it and deep conditioned it, I added this Lottie Body leave-in conditioner. And then I put this Silk Elements Strengthened Silk Coconut Glossing Polish with Silk onto my hair. I talked about that in my last video with the ponytail. And just get started. I may not show everything on camera, but I wasn't gonna do a flat iron, a hair update a hair update using my flat iron, but I haven't done one in 3 years, so I said, well, I should give them an update today, since I'm getting ready to flat iron my hair anyway. And I do have somewhere to go, so I need to make it kind of quick. And this is a very good flat iron. So I'm gonna do this row on camera, and then I'll come back when I get closer to the front. This is how it's looking. And I did kind of curl it tighter up top to give some more volume. So I'm just using this comb to comb it out. But if y'all check out my video from, like I said, 2016, you will see my hair is much shorter. I didn't really realize it till I went back and looked at the video. I know I've been cutting and trimming it too myself, and I don't know if I've been cutting too much, but it's hair. It'll grow back. Health over length is what I hear. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but I was trying to get my hair to grow. I'm trying to get the bra strap length, but it seems like every time I try, I have setbacks. And I'm going to have to get my mirror to see how the back is looking. But, I mean, it's very soft. No complaints. It's hair. Things happen. Life happens. Your body goes through changes too. So, but it's nice and thick. No problem in that area. So, but I've always had problems with breakage around my edges and the nape. So, just my hair in general. I've always had problems. And at one time, I wasn't really moisturizing and sealing and deep conditioning like I was at one point. So that may be why my hair changed. But I'm going to let y'all see the back. But I'm going to have to get a mirror. But, I mean, it's nice and bouncy. I try to not put a whole lot of product when I'm flat ironing, because it'll weigh your hair down and you'll lose some of that bounce. But over time, I put oils on my hair anyway, because sometimes it gets dry, but it looks very moisturized. Okay, I want to come back and let y'all see the back again, because I took the flat iron and kind of made the curls a little tighter in the top to show you what kind of look I was going for. And I'll include a picture. When I used to go to my hairstylist, she used to kind of do my hair like this. Don't know if it's still in style, but I like it, so I still do it. But I'll turn around and let you all see it. And if I can find an old photo of how my hair looked when she would do it, I'll include in this video. And so tonight, like I said, I will roll it up in the top, and I'll come back and let y'all see my night routine, how I maintain my flat iron hair. And that's it. And I'm just gonna spray. Oh, I also forgot, I put a little of the style factor on my edges over here to kind of lay them down a little bit. And then I'm going to put a little bit of this shine on it. And that's it for today. And I will come back tonight to show you what I do to maintain my straight hair.